The wind is howling. The snow is piling up. I have zero control over it, honestly. Mother Nature's doing her thing, and I just gotta roll with it. Oh, hey! Okay, but you know what else is a mess? Your bookkeeping, your taxes, your accounting. Unlike this storm, I can do something about that. Gosh, so maybe you've been meaning to organize your books, but it just keeps piling up. Kind of like this snow keeps piling up. Maybe you've got a tax deadline creeping up, like the storm on the horizon, and you don't even know where to start. Oh my gosh. Oh, does that sound familiar? Okay, so the good news is I'm not just out here fighting blizzards. I fight financial chaos too. At Pathfinder Marketing and Consulting, I help small businesses like yours clean up the financial mess and get on track. No more scrambling, no more stress, just clear, simple bookkeeping that makes your life easier.
Wouldn't you rather feel like this instead of panicking when tax season hits? Give me a call, 951-526-5126. Pathfinder Marketing and Consulting, I'm Jamie Enfield. Let's get your books in order. Life is messy. I can help.